This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Wiper blades replacement. Lift the wiper arm retaining clip, then slide the wiper arm into the wiper blade slightly to disengage the hooked end. With the hook free from the wiper blade, lift the arm off. To install, lift the retaining clip and align the hooked end of the wiper arm into the slot. Push the wiper blade so that the hook fully seats onto the blade, then close the retaining clip. Perform the same procedure for the other wiper blade replacement.